A body moves horizontally at a constant speed of 5 meters per second, subject to the forces shown. Find P and S. Okay, so firstly, we just need to recognize that word there, that it's moving horizontally. Okay, so vertically, there is no movement at all. Now, if there's no movement vertically, that means that the forces must be balanced. Okay, so if we think about resolving, okay, if we look in the vertical direction, so put an arrow there just to show that I'm interested in that vertical direction there, these forces are balanced. So to say they're balanced, we could use the word equilibrium, okay, which just means they are balanced, and they're going to be equal. So in other words, S has got to equal to 2,000 newtons. Okay. Now in terms of the horizontal motion here, I'm working out P. The next important word is what we've got here. It says constant speed. Okay. So when we have constant speed, think about the acceleration, or rather think about what's happening to its motion as it's going along. The speed does not change. The speed is always 5, which means it's not accelerating. In other words, the acceleration is 0. Okay, so if we apply Newton's second law, okay, in the horizontal direction, okay, well, if you remember the formula, resultant force equals to mass times acceleration. Well, the mass times acceleration here will be 0, yeah, because the acceleration is nothing. It's staying at the speed of 5, so the resultant force is 0. So it doesn't matter which way it's actually going, whether it's going to the right or whether it's going to the left. At the end of the day, if it was going to the right, the P, the forward force, take away the resistant force of 300 would equal to 0. It produces 0 acceleration, which means then P has got to be 300 newtons as well. In other words, the forces are balanced. Okay, when you get that in motion, when the speed is not changing, the forces are in equilibrium.